Why do I torture myself like this for the internet? Oh my god, wait. Hi everybody, welcome back to Karen Puzzles. So today I am taking on the Ice Puzzle 9, which is a level 10 brain teaser jigsaw puzzle. You already saw me do the Jigsaw Puzzle 19, which is a level 8, and it was, you know, tricky, but I got through it. So we'll see what happens when I try a level 10. All right, so here is the little info card that comes with it. You can see it is a level 10, which is the highest difficulty level. The goal is to fit all 9 pieces into the rectangle base, and there's a little clue right here, which is find space for the 9th piece. And that makes me think that there's going to seem to be a fairly obvious solution, but that then the last piece won't fit in, so you'll have to mix them up and find a trickier solution to get everything to fit. That's just my theory. Going into this, I'm kind of like, how hard could it be? It's only 9 pieces. There are only so many different ways you can rearrange them, especially because you know that the flat sides have to be along the edges. But I'm sure that there's some kind of trick to it, so let's give it a try. All right, so I've got my timer here, ready to start. Here's my strategy. Just looking at the pieces, at first I was gonna say, you know, to separate out the pieces that clearly have an edge, but I mean, not an edge, a corner, but I think every single piece has a corner, so that's not gonna work. I guess I just don't really have a strategy going into this. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I just have to try to start mixing them up and see what happens. So let's give it a go. Start. Okay, let's see what we have here. So I'm starting by just kind of playing around. I'm actually not even gonna use the tray to begin with. I'm just gonna play around and see how these fit together, what kind of different shapes I can make. You know what, I'm just gonna start putting them in, and I'm just gonna start like playing. Actually, I know that this one can't be a corner because there's a little, you end up with a little notch here that no piece would fit into. So I think I can rule that one out as being an actual corner piece. This is definitely a very different type of puzzle to what I normally do. I feel like my strengths are in like sorting and being able to visualize what piece I need based on the picture that I'm already familiar with. Whereas this is much more of just like, you know, it's a very different type of brain teaser puzzle. Ooh, that's interesting. Those could maybe fit, but then nothing would go in here. Okay, this is already more difficult than the Jigsaw Puzzle 19. Also, I don't know if it's meant to fit totally snugly. Like, I don't know what kind of gap is acceptable to leave. Because if you're just trying to get them to fit, theoretically there could be small gaps between some of the pieces, but as long as they all fit in the tray, then you've solved it. Okay, I'm officially 3 minutes in. I've officially not solved it straight out of the gate. Can you imagine if somebody got this and then just happened to like try all of the correct pieces the first time and they were like, what's so hard about that? Ooh, okay, we might be getting somewhere. Okay, maybe not. Maybe nothing fits in there. All right, we are at about 4.5 minutes, and I feel like I'm not making any real progress because there's no way to know if a piece is correct or not. Like, at least with the last one, if I found something really clever, I would be like, okay, that's probably right. Like, they're probably not gonna trick you by making you think something, by like wasting something clever on something that's wrong. Whereas with this one, since there are so few pieces, there's just no way to know what's right or not. Yeah, this literally just feels like trial and error. Like, I just don't know what I can do to feel like I'm making progress. All right, I feel like this is becoming a very boring video because I don't know. Like, okay, here's my main question. Let's say I put in a piece down here. Like, you can see that we end up with a slight gap there where it's like straight meeting a curve. Is that okay. Obviously no piece will fit that fully, so I don't know if I should be not leaving those gaps or if the final answer will have gaps like that. I just don't know. I think that's what makes this type of thing different from a normal jigsaw puzzle, is that normal jigsaw puzzles, you know the rules. Like, it's pretty straightforward that you have the picture that you're trying to put together, and you know that when a piece fits, for the most part, it's like in the right place. Whereas with this one, I don't know the rules going into it. Like, I don't know what gaps are acceptable. So it's definitely a much different experience doing a puzzle like this than a normal jigsaw puzzle. And I'll say I prefer the normal jigsaw puzzles. Okay, well, I got 8 of the pieces to fit. That's close, right? That's like it's like a B+. Not quite an A, but maybe I'm getting closer. Oh my god, I swear I'm gonna have nightmares about these pieces. I'm 11.5 minutes in. I feel like I've made no progress, so this is super fun. Okay, once again, I got 8 pieces into the tray, and this piece, obviously it doesn't fit. Obviously this is not right. There are lots of gaps in there. Ooh, I'm getting close. Okay, I keep getting closer. I keep getting 8 pieces in, so maybe now that I'm getting to know the shape of the pieces a little better, I'm able to get closer. I don't know. I like to think that Yuu Asaka literally just has a Google alert set for all of his puzzles and just watches people try to solve them, just laughing maniacally to himself in his house. It's totally what I would do if I had made a puzzle like this. Okay, oh my god, I'm so close. Look, it's only overlapping in that one little part. Look, I'm so close. Okay, once again, I got 8 pieces in. I'll have to go back and count how many different 8-piece configurations I came up with. Remember that time that I was like, how many different ways could 9 pieces fit together? I miss that optimistic time in my life. It almost fits. It almost fits. Like, everything over here looks so good that I want it to be right, but I don't know if I should just take it all out and start over, because maybe it's not right and I'm just trying to make things fit where they're not going to. I'm probably so off, and all of you who have seen other people try to do this video are just like screaming at me through your computer screens right now. Either that or I'm really close until you're screaming at me for that reason. Alright, this has officially taken me longer than the Jigsaw Puzzle 19. We're at 26.5 minutes, and I feel like I've ended up exactly where I was last time, and I still just can't get this last piece to fit. I'm sure my downstairs neighbor loves me right now, just hearing me yell about jigsaw puzzles at 8:30 on a Friday morning. I have to film early because it gets so hot in this room. Oh my god, once again, I'm so close. All right, I paused the time for a sec. Once again, I feel like I'm so close. I'm just about a half hour into attempting this puzzle. I honestly thought I would be in and out of here in like 20 minutes, but apparently not. Ooh, oh my god, wait, I'm so close. Okay, this time feels a little closer than previous times. Did I do it this time? No. Why won't you fit? This is the worst thing I've ever done to myself. Why do I torture myself like this for the internet? Oh my god, wait.
Myself like this for the internet. Oh my god, wait.
Did I do it? Oh, let me stop the time. I think I did it. What? I was not expecting that to happen. I was literally just banging it into place, and then I think I solved it. Took me just over half an hour to do. Once again, just like with the last one, I want to go check on Chris Ramsey's time to see if I beat him. Obviously, that is the most important priority for a puzzle like this. Okay, he solved it in, 2 hours and, wait, that's 2 hours, right? Not 2 minutes?
2 hours, 9 minutes, plus off camera, probably another hour. 3 hours, oh my god.
Oh, he spent 3 hours on it. Okay, now I feel better about my half-hour solve. Again, I have nothing against Chris Ramsey. I don't know him. I've never spoken to him. Yeah, there we go. It looks like from his video, it looks like we have the same solution. Here it is. You can see that the trick is that this corner piece fits in diagonally, which is not anything that I consciously thought of. I was just like banging it into place and suddenly it fits. So, you know, I guess that can happen sometimes. So would I recommend this puzzle? I would say definitely yes. It's, I think, the same price as all of the other ones. I think they're each 40 Canadian dollars, and I could totally see if you're like a teacher or, you know, if you're in an office, just kind of having this out on your desk and letting other people try their hand at it and see if any of them can solve it. So if you missed it, as I referenced throughout the video, I already did the Jigsaw Puzzle 19, which is 19 pieces, and all of them are corner pieces. I'll link that video right down below. And before you ask, yes, I do have the Jigsaw Puzzle 29, which is another level 10 puzzle. So I will be getting to this one on this channel very soon. So I'd love to know in a comment, do you ever do like brain teaser puzzles like this, or do you stick to traditional jigsaw puzzles? Have you done this one? Did you manage to solve it? How long did it take you? Your code word for the comments will be corner. And if you're new here, the code word is basically just so that I know that you watched all the way to the end of the video, and then you become my favorite puzzler for that week. All right, I feel like I need a nap after that. Also, it's like not even 9 a.m., so I could take a nap, but it would basically just be going back to sleep. Anyway, happy puzzling, and I'll see you all in the next one.